Well, Hawaiian Electric is denying it's responsible for the recent deadly wildfire. Maui County sued the power company last week, saying it failed to shut off power. Hawaiian Electric says the lines had been shut for more than 6 hours before the fire broke out. It says its power lines were responsible for an earlier fire in Lahaina that was contained, but the town was gutted by a second fire, which started later in the afternoon. The company says the cause of the second fire has not yet been determined. Well, Maui County has released a list of 388 names of people who are unaccounted for, but some good news. The FBI now says more than 100 of them are actually safe. Within 24 hours after that list was made public, community members came forward to report they were okay. There are now 115 confirmed fatalities, and 99% of the disaster area has been searched. Well, the economic toll of the Maui wildfires could be as high as $7 billion, according to estimates from Moody's analytics. The state's economy taking a major hit, and businesses are trying to get the word out that Hawaii is still open. We'd like to welcome now Tiffany Rose. She is Maui accommodations guide and a digital marketer. Tiffany, thank you so much for being here. Oh, we hope that we're able to hear you. Can you hear us, Tiffany? We're having a bit of audio issues. We hope we can get that remedied here quickly. Really looking forward to our conversation.
Can you hear me okay now?
I can. Thank you so much for sticking with us. So great to have you. Tourism, as you well know, is the lifeblood of the economy in Maui. How bad is business right now?
It's tough for a lot of people. I can speak for a lot of friends that have had that hours cut or have been laid off, that are just kind of being told to hold tight because we don't know what's happening. And then on the business side of things, you know, people are unsure they're going to be able to keep their businesses. From the small business, gig economy, you know, reservations have just completely plummeted, and it's really taken a toll on everybody's livelihood to be able to help our community and continue to help each other when we are losing our jobs as well. So it's, yeah, it's really tough.
Yeah, and it's a scary second disaster here. So what advice would you give to people planning trips to the island right now?
We need tourism. We need visitors. You know, we definitely are looking for respectful, courteous visitors that aren't going to go to our devastating area in Lahaina town and just gawk at what's happening, because those are our homes and that's our livelihood as well, and our history. But the rest of the island, that's a really small area. The rest of the island is still welcoming visitors. You know, just doing everything that you love to do on your vacation will help people have jobs again. So that's just something that we want to share, is that, you know, come visit, respect the area of Lahaina, respect this devastation and this time of grieving. But, you know, we want you on snorkel tours, we want you on helicopter tours, we want you getting your massages, because that's keeping the working class going, you know.
Certainly. And you're doing it here and right now, but how else are you trying to get the word out that Hawaii is open? And are you receiving any pushback in any way?
Sure. So I work a lot in the social media sphere, and, you know, that's new means of communication. So that's where I'm trying to work to put the word out, and just within Facebook groups, but also within other channels. And the pushback, I mean, there's always pushback on social media. There's always going to be people that have something to say. And, you know, unfortunately, it's still a really tough grieving time. It's touchy. You know, we want to ensure that those that are grieving can have their time. And there's still a lot of people unaccounted for, and we need to be really sensitive about that. And it's hard to not hurt people and step on those toes when we're saying come visit Maui, because we're not saying go visit the devastating area. We're saying come visit the rest of Maui, so we can all be a community and here together and not have to leave the island. So yeah, we get pushback from locals, from visitors even, that we're, afraid of being disrespectful or being told that they're being disrespectful just to think to come to Maui. So
thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.